Hey everyone, welcome to another fresh video, and in this video I will show you how you can connect your Meta Ads account with Claude with their latest MCP connection which Meta has recently dropped. And if you are already doing Meta Ads, this will definitely save your time and efforts if you want to generate reports, if you want to get a quick insight of how your ad campaigns are performing. So yeah, let's directly jump into my laptop and let's start the video.
So I am into Meta's official publishing page where they have explained how the MCP, uh, what we can expect out of their latest MCP. Like here you can generate reporting, ad creation and management. Here is a list which you can go through. I will put the link in my description, and you can connect the MCP to ChatGPT, Claude Code, and Perplexity. But in this case, we are going to use Claude only because I use Claude a lot. And here is the MCP URL. Correct. So so you will go to okay. So you will go to Claude, and then you will click on your profile icon, and from here you will go to settings, and from there you will be heading to connectors, and from there see I already since I already have connected my Meta Ads account to Claude, so it will not allow me to connect it once again. But in your case, since you haven't connected it yet, so you can simply click on here add, then you will click on add custom connector. Now here you can name it anything, like okay, let's say Meta Ads, and in this remote MCP server URL you will click this, you will copy this link and directly paste it here only. Okay, and if we click on add, it will show me a server with this URL already exists. Since my account is already pre-connected, so it will not allow me again. So but in your case it will be added, and it will show you, and after that a dialog box will open where it will show you how many ad account you are currently logged in, how many business managers you are a part of, and from there only you have to select the the exact ad account which you want to work on. So I hope this video helps. See you in the next video. Thank you.